All right, it is time to celebrate some Wednesday birthdays across the area, and we begin in Fulton, Kansas with Ryson Keating celebrating birthday number 2. What a great smile, Ryson. Happy birthday.
And Rhett Kelly turning 10 years old this year in Uniontown. Happy birthday, Rhett.
And Emerson Walker also turning 10 over in Columbus. Emerson, a very happy birthday to you.
And Grayson Thurlow celebrating birthday number 12. That means it's his golden birthday today. Hope you have a great one, Grayson.
And we've got Landry Morris in Lamar celebrating birthday 13. A very happy birthday to you.
In Golden City, Robbie Stafford celebrating Sweet 16 this year. Looks like he's got his driver's license too. All right.
We've got a lot of 16s. We've also got Reese Norris celebrating birthday number 16 in Chanute. Very happy birthday to you, Reese.
And Lily Kennard celebrating Sweet 16. Little throwback picture there of Lily, I'm guessing, in Chatopa.
And we've also got Lane McGinnis celebrating birthday number 20 in Girard. Lane, a very happy birthday to you.
And Dalton Graham celebrating birthday number 21 with a big catch there. Dalton is in Redfield, Kansas.
And we've got Gunnar Wixon celebrating number 45 with another big catch over in Baxter Springs. Gunnar, a very happy birthday to you.
It's my girl, Lisa Hinkle, celebrating birthday number 52 this year. She told me she had to work today, but I'm sure she'll have fun as well. Lisa is in Sheldon, Missouri with love from your friends.
And we've got Terry Barno celebrating birthday number 70 in Chanute. Terry, a very happy birthday to you.
And Patrick Richardson celebrating a birthday in Columbus.
And wrapping up our birthday list, we've got Elaine Hunsinger in Pittsburgh celebrating birthday number 81. This comes with love from the Crestline girls. We've also got Emma Lynn celebrating a birthday in Columbus, and Nicole Berger celebrating birthday number 55 in Frontenac. Now, if you've got birthdays or anniversaries you want to send to us, Tanya knows exactly how you can do that.
Yeah, just send us an email and include the picture, of course, with the name, and your hometown would be great too, and the birthday. The day of the birthday is even more important. Birthdays, send it to birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And, of course, while you're visiting our website for the latest information on just about everything, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Super simple to do. You get some cool deals from local businesses, and you also get a nice little birthday message from us. So make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club at KOAMNewsNow.com.